each side will ask different questions of each side, and then the other side is going to respond.
Okay. What's a belief that you have or something that you've heard about the US or about Korea?
I hear it's not typical for like men and women to be like close friends, like without like any aspect of like dating or anything like that, like just being friends.
So can someone answer about that friendship?
I have a friend, walk around with him. You guys. So they always think men and women, you have some emotion each other, don't you?
In Korea, it's not common to touch hands like this, something like that.
For Americans, we really appreciate like open communication. For these two, like their personalities just mixed very well, and especially like on a friendship level.
I think that's where the main difference is boundaries. Like that boundary has been set from the beginning, that it's just a friendship and nothing more.
I think this is because the religious effect, the Korean traditional.
Can someone say what?
보수적이다.
There's a Confucius tradition that there must be clear boundary between men and women.
There's a lot of introvert people in Korea, so we're more be careful to relationships.
Interesting. I like how you traced that. So what are some feelings that come to mind when you think of your education?
I feel like it's competitive.
Hard job, I think, maybe.
Hard.
I'm so nervous. Someone is chasing me.
You know, what are the things people are arguing about in education here and there in the US?
The private education and the public education, like the 학원 culture.
Penn State students, do you understand when they talk about hagwons and private academies? Do you know what they're talking about?
Cram school. You're familiar with that.
In order to get into the medical school, which is like super competitive, people pour money into that. But someone who doesn't have those financial resources can have those cram school education. So it makes the big difference in the university acceptance.
평소에 여기 펜스테이트 교수님께서 올리시는 유튜브를 몇 번 봤었어요. 이게 딱 저희 학교에 온다고 해가지고 신청하게 됐어요. 사실 저는 맨 처음에 오늘 교육에 대해서 방송한다고 하셨을 때 이제 제가 할 말이 많을까 이렇게 생각을 했는데 막상 수업을 하니까 할 말이 너무 많고
It's most definitely the talking, conversation that we get to know each other's culture and viewpoints, which is not really happening in the Korean university's ordinary classes. I think this kind of communication and getting to know each other definitely helps people to understand each other.
Yesterday's activities, we hang out with cafe in local cafe, and they wanted to go like cosmetic shop.